Hey there, folks. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to log in to your Discover Bank online banking. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get access to your account in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or smartphone, and open up your preferred web browser. Head over to the official Discover Bank website by typing in www.discover.com or simply searching for Discover Bank on your search engine. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Log In button, usually located at the top right corner. It's bright and easy to spot, so you won't miss it. Click on that Log In button, and you'll be taken to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your username or the email address associated with your account. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Nothing's more frustrating than a simple mistake holding you up. Next, type in your password. If it's your first time or you haven't logged in recently, you might see a prompt for two-factor authentication. This is just an extra layer of security, so grab your phone and enter the code sent via text or email. Once you've entered everything correctly, hit the Log In or Sign In button. Voila! You'll be directed to your dashboard, where you can view your accounts, check balances, transfer funds, and more. If you run into any issues, like forgetting your password, don't panic. There's usually a Forgot Password link on the login page. Click it, follow the instructions to reset it, and you'll be back on track. Remember, always use a secure connection when accessing your bank account. Look for HTTPS in the URL and avoid public Wi-Fi if possible. That way, you keep your information safe and sound. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. Stay secure out there, and we'll see you next time.